Okay, we're going to install the jack plate now in the wall. So we have two receptacles. I'm just going to wire one for the demonstration. We've got a color code here. The red and the green is what you usually use if you're just connecting one. You can always look at it and see which, there's four little wires. You can decide which one the jack you're plugging in is using and connect to the appropriate one here. And what we want to do, we've got the wire coming through. I'm going to strip it back with these strippers. And be careful, you just cut slightly, and then you can strip off the outer sheathing fairly readily. Okay, so we want to keep the color code the same, so we're going to take the green and the orange out, fold back the other wires so they're out of our way. We strip these wires. Very small wires, so you may have to turn the strippers to the side to actually get the insulation off. Sometimes you can use your thumbnail to get the last little piece off. Okay, so we've got the two conductors. We want to connect the green to the green and the red to the red. So we unscrew that slightly. We take the green, the needle nose pliers, bend it around. We want to insert it, so we're going to be tightening on the clockwise side. So we slide that underneath. Take the screwdriver. Okay, we got that tight. Now we're going to do the exact same with the orange. Well, it's actually red. Take the wire and bend it around with the needle nose. Just hook it up underneath. There's two washers in there. You want to get it between the two washers. Then we snug that down. Okay, so we've got it wired. This top one's going to work. If we want to do the bottom one also, we could jumper it to here. And if we were going to connect for two lines, we'd connect to the other two. You've just got to keep the color codes together. Make a little sheet, note which ones you're using so it's consistent when you get to the other side. Okay, so we just shoved this wire in. There's some slack in there, which is good in case you ever have to do something in the future. We put the cover on, and we can screw that right in.